Whether your repair is simple or complex, you'll be more successful if you break the procedure down into steps, making it more manageable. I'll take you through this part replacement repair one step at a time. To replace the lid in your GE washer, you will need a drill driver with a 1/4-inch bit, needle nose pliers, and a Phillips bit. Pull the bumpers out of the lid. Unthread the 2 screws that slide the striker down and out of the lid. Remove the 2 screws on the right side of the lid. Roll the hinge in a 90-degree motion to remove. Repeat these steps for the left side, then remove the lid. To install the new lid, align the lid with the hinge hole and insert the end of the hinge. Roll the hinge back into position. Rethread the 2 screws. Repeat these steps for the opposite side. Slide the striker into place, then rethread the 2 screws. Insert the bumpers and firmly press them into place. You can lube them with dish soap to make it easier. And your washer should be ready for use.